Okay, so this is what's happening in the morning when you try to start. You have this yellow park on the left. It's not a parking brake. It says park. It says parking brake. And then whenever you try, there is all kind of options and errors that it's coming. Active lane, blah, 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 this and that. So what you need to do is either lock the car, unlock the car, play gamble. Sometimes it's 10-15 minutes, sometimes it's 2 hours. In order to start, you need to lock it, unlock it, lock it, unlock it. And that is what is wrong with the car every single morning.